Hey, it's Brian Gary. So here I am at a renovation project. We're just about to throw away a tub. Well, the contractor was. It's an old claw tub, a small tub, so it's about 80 years old. Looks a little rough, but you can tell what I'm going to say already. Go to the website below right here, bathtepoxy.com. I call Patrick. He's on his way. We are going to save this tub. We're saving the world one tub at a time. Enjoy the video. Okay, so as promised, I grabbed Patrick. We have a small claw tub, which Patrick just enlightened me is more expensive than the big ones. So this is pretty cool.
Yeah, the 4-footers are pretty rare, but this is little, and it's going to be a great one to do.
So the backstory is the house is torn apart. They were going to throw the tub away. I said, hold on, I got a guy. Everybody has a guy. That's the guy. Step one, clean the damn thing. Okay? So we'll quickly go over cleaning, taping it off, protecting the floor, and get right at it. Patrick just did the extra drying run. That's just being cautious.
Yeah.
Notice trick here in case it drips. With a piece of tape and a glove, you have no drip. So we cleaned it already. We've been here for about 15 minutes and we're ready to pour. We're gonna mix right now before we tape off because we've done so many tubs, it's easy to do. While that's waiting for the 10 minutes of mixing and sitting, we will go ahead and tape it off in 2 seconds. You're watching a pro here, folks. Some already looks better than that.
All this without taping the whole handle. Pretty brave.
Patrick just brought up a really good point. So this tub's probably 80 years old, and just the product alone, there's no lighting in here, there's nothing special. Look at the night and day already as it's seeping down.
You can't get it on video, but I mean, this is textured. This is all from years of cleaning and being etched down and hard water. But this is fully textured, this huge pitting.
So we came, we cleaned, we protected, and we poured all in under 30 minutes. Legit under 30 minutes, and you're about to just pull up the top here, push the product around.
With the claw tub, we're going to go around the faucets. We're not going to pour it down the faucet, so we've got to push it up and around.
Okay, so you've let it run all the way down like we do. You've scraped it out to the point. It looks like you took all the product out. But with a little bit of roll, you're just about done, and it's about time to get coffee or go on your lunch break because this will just set up now. This is the important part that I tell anybody that has seen the product. Don't keep playing with it. It does its own thing. It self-levels. You get the product out, you roll it like Patrick's doing right now, and walk away. You leaving?
All set, on to the next one.
He's going to prep another bathtub. I'm gonna hang around here for that final scoop, but you saw how easy it was. We came, and even taking our time, he was pouring within 30 minutes. The tub looks perfect. A house under construction, as you can see. They were gonna throw away that old tub, which is a small tub with some pretty good money. We're guessing around 80 years old. And now you would never throw it away. So Patrick, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for coming. I'll hang out, he's gone. I waited about 2 hours. I scraped out the bottom again, rolled it gently, Wait about 15 minutes, nothing is going towards the drain, and I'm done. I am going to leave the glove on the faucet just in case it drips overnight, but from an old tub that's about 80 years old to this finished product, you gotta try this. Once again, Brian Gary, go to the website below, bathtepoxy.com. We'll see you in the next bathroom.